instance, look at this. We have that 5 power p negative 1 is equal to 15 power p negative 2. Then 3 power p is equal to what? 3 power p is equal to what? So according to this, we see that it is exponential expression or indices that we need sometimes to simplify. Then here we need to use the properties of indices. We have one base with the subtraction at the power. One base which is 5 with subtraction of power. So this is like a power m negative n. Then from the property, this automatically is equal to a power m times a power negative n. Also, if we have the negative at the power, it's like 1 over a power n, which is equal to a power negative n. Then, according to this, for left side and right side, we are going to use this property. So, this is 5. We have a negative at the exponent, it's 5 power p times 5 power negative 1, which is equal to 15 power p times 15 power negative 2. From this property, where we have negative from power, this is like 5 power p times 1 over 5, which is equal to 15 power p times 1 over 15 square. 15 square is 225. And here we can simplify these denominators, this one and this one, then here we remain with 45. Then here we can do a cross product. When we do a cross product, we will have 45, which is this, times 5 power p, which is equal to 15 power p. We need to find the factor which can be equal to this. And that factor automatically is a factor of 15, which is 3 times 5. This is 45 times 5 power p, which is equal to 3 times 5, then power p. So from the properties of exponent, we have that we have two bases, the multiplication of two bases with the same power. Automatically, this is like 45 times 5 power p, which is equal to 3 power p times 5 power p. Then from here, we see that we can simplify 5 power p because they are the same, they are common to both sides, left side and the right side. So now, according to this expression, we start 3 power p is equal to 40.